Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the best Amazon home cleaning gadgets this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So let's start the video. Cleaning cloth. Ultra soft material, scratch-free, ultra soft and highly absorbent microfiber cleaning cloths. Great for cleaning windows, kitchenware, car, or other delicate surfaces. Absorbent, lint-free, made of 85% polyester, 15% nylon. These non-abrasive cleaning rags can soak up water from the countertop and tables instantly and without lint or streaks left behind. Clean with or without water from worktops, appliances to kitchens, bathrooms, mirrors, etc. They will make your house sparkling. Tackle versatile cleaning jobs. These premium microfiber towels are also perfect dish rags which don't smell, removes grease and particles from microwave oven, plates, pots, or pans effortlessly. Not only that, you will be amazed they are also terrific duster that removes fingertips from silverware and glasses easily and leaves your kitchen spotless. Clean Duster Sponge. Damp Clean Duster Sponge. JMI Damp Clean Duster Sponge can help you easily remove dust, debris, hair, and stains in your home so that you no longer worry about dirty cleaning. Wear-resistant and sturdy, the high-density cleaning sponge needs to be soaked and softened before each use, and it can be reused after washing and drying. The U-shaped groove design of the sponge cleaning brush is easier to remove dust particles and has strong versatility. Strong water absorption. Dense water absorption holes can absorb a large amount of water and have strong water absorption. After the dusting sponges is fully soaked, it will become softer and have better cleaning power. Package contents contains 4 pieces gray of JMI baseboard cleaner sponges. Warm tip, pre-moistened sponge. Packaging has water vapor. Dustpan. Extendable pole design. The optional extension pole makes the broom length from 38.18 to 50.39 inches. People can choose the appropriate length according to their height. And long handle allow you to stand upright for comfortable sweeping. No more bending. Heavy-duty broom bristles. Upgraded 4-row bristles design, high-quality broom bristle construction, more dense and durable. Product is made from 20% recycled materials. Packaging is 100% biodegradable. AI insists on working hard to protect the environment. Easy stand-up storage. The clip-on feature makes the broom and dustpan upright a perfect space safer. Compact storage keep your home or workspace clean and tidy. Works perfectly for multi-surface, suitable for indoor use. Self-cleaning dustpan. Teeth built-in scraper and comb/teeth for easy-to-clean broom into dustpan. Steam cleaner. Chemical-free cleaning. Naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals, using hot, pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a wide range of surfaces including tile, grout, granite, laminate, appliances, grills, autos, and more. 23 accessories. Equipped for steam cleaning jobs in and around your home, including a floor mop, mop pads, nylon brushes, brass brush, angled nozzle, scrub pad, scraper, squeegee, more. Conveniently store accessories on board or in included storage bag. Detailing oriented. Experience personal car detailing at home with the MC1385. Its powerful steam technology, versatile accessories, and intuitive design make it easy to target tough stains and hard-to-reach crevices, ensuring your vehicle is spotless. Robot vacuum. World's first water recycle system. No manual water replacement, no drainage or installation required. 3IS10 Ultra Robot Vacuum pioneered the water recycle system. It distills wastewater and captures air moisture to produce purified water, ensuring an endless supply. This eco-friendly design eliminates the need for water supply and drainage connections, allowing for flexible placement anywhere in your home. Ultra Reach Extendable Roller Mop. This self-cleaning robot vacuum mop operates at 330 RPM, boosting cleaning results by 153%. It features 12 spray holes for a steady flow of distilled water and delivers over 7 N of consistent mopping pressure. The built-in scraper keeps the roller mop spotless, while the automatic extension allows for precise cleaning along walls down to the millimeter. Microfiber Spin Mop. Hands-free wringing. Our exclusive mop bucket design features a built-in wringer that allows for hands-free wringing, while Splash Guard keeps water splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing, or when transporting the bucket from room to room. Machine washable. The Easy Ring microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. We recommend replacing the mop head refill every 3 months for optimal floor cleaning results. Deep cleaning microfiber. O'Cedar's Easy Ring microfiber spin mop bucket floor cleaning system uses millions of strands of advanced microfiber to effectively capture dirt and grime with just plain water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Safe for all hard flooring, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. System includes Easy Ring bucket, telescopic handle that adjusts to 4.25 feet, 51 inches, and microfiber mop head. Smart humidifiers. Drio Smart Humidifiers for Bedroom offers precise humidity control at home. With advanced algorithm and auto mode, it senses humidity levels with twice higher precision. Intelligent ambient light keeps you informed of changes. It can be controlled via voice, Alexa or Google Assistant, or the Drio app. Easily adjust settings like mist volume, timer, and ambient lighting. Powered by Drio's dual intake design, this cool mist humidifier for large room creates a supersized mist 3 times larger than most air humidifiers, bringing faster dry air relief and helping you breathe easy and healthy. Drio portable humidifier features an easy top fill design. You can fill it up without flipping the tank or spilling water. Cleaning brush. Multifunctional crevice cleaning tools. This hard bristle crevice cleaning brush is specially designed to handle narrow spaces and corners, making it perfect for cleaning grout lines, shower door tracks, toilet seat hinges, kitchen sinks, faucets, shower walls, and window sills. 6 PAS colorful crevice brushes with a variety of vibrant bristle designs. These hard bristle cleaning brushes for matching different areas and tasks. This helps to organize the brushes effectively and prevent cross-contamination. High-quality material crafted from high-quality plastic and stainless steel. This crevice brush is sturdy, break-resistant, and long-lasting. The brush head is securely attached to a non-slip, wear-resistant handle for a comfortable grip. Electric spin scrubber. Efficient cleaning home assistant. Do you often bend over or kneel on the floor to do housework? Don't be afraid. From now on, you can efficiently finish your housework in a relaxed posture with the Dovety electric cleaning brush. Dovety 2024 new upgraded pink electric spin scrubber is here to help you solve all the problems. Say goodbye to the traditional tedious cleaning. Take care of your family and let them less tired from cleaning. Dual speed for efficient cleaning. The pink shower brush set has 2 cleaning speeds. Low speed 300 RPM, high speed 500 RPM. The default speed is high when the brush is started, and long press for 2 seconds to easily switch to high speed. Allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, to meet your different cleaning needs and cope with different levels of stains, saving you valuable time. Shower squeegee. Streak-free, squeak-free. Docroc squeegee for shower glass door will effortlessly remove the water drops, soap, scum, and other sources of buildup of your shower glass door cleaner and other surfaces with just a few wipes. Getting your cleaning activities done fast and easy with no streak and squeak. Sturdy, durable, made of 100% rust-resistant stainless steel and premium silicone blade, our shower squeegee, shower door squeegee with exquisite craft ensure the durability and long-lasting use for your daily household cleaning activities. A must-have window squeegee for window cleaning, bathroom squeegee for shower glass doors. Ergonomic design. Features an ergonomic structure and precise cut silicone blade. This shower glass squeegee car squeegee provides you a comfortable anti-slip grip to efficiently clean your tile show walls with minimum time and effort. Bath mat rug. 100% memory foam. Cozy memory foam. Enjoy the comfort of standing on the clouds. Thick and fluffy contact surface offers exceptional comfortable feels. Perfect for bathroom, vanity, vacation home, master bathroom, kids bathroom, and guest suite. Great idea for all occasions: Christmas, wedding, Father's Day, Mother's Day, and Valentine's Day. Super water absorption. The soft velvet microfiber layer can absorb as much water as possible from your wet feet, and the water do not stay on the surface on the bath mat. Non-slip backing. Yamobra bathroom mat rug is constructed with strong PVC backing, which helps to prevent shifting and skidding, and it will hold up for years to come, unlike many other brands, whose rubber backing tends to wear and peel off after multiple washes. Prevent from slipping. Please make sure the surface under the mat is smooth, clean, and dry.